English Reading Practice, Exercise 23, Presentation Skills Course, Part 1 of 28, Intermediate Level. Be sure to watch the introductory video to learn how to use synchronized reading. Just see the link in the description. A quick reminder, continually improve your English. Click the subscribe button, the bell icon, and then all. So let's begin our reading. The importance of presentation skills. 10 reasons why they matter. Presentation skills are not just essential for public speakers. They are a crucial asset in various facets of life, from the classroom to the boardroom. Here are 10 reasons why mastering presentation skills is important. 1. Effective communication. Presentation skills enable individuals to articulate their ideas clearly and concisely. Whether addressing a small group or a large audience, the ability to communicate effectively ensures that the message is understood and resonates with the listeners. 2. Professional development. In the professional realm, strong presentation skills can significantly enhance career prospects. Employers value employees who can represent their ideas persuasively, whether in meetings, pitches, or client presentations. A polished presenter is often perceived as more competent and credible. 3. Confidence building. Public speaking can be daunting for many people, but mastering presentation skills builds confidence. Through practice and preparation, individuals learn to manage nervousness and deliver presentations with poise and assurance, which translates to increased self-confidence in other areas of life as well. 4. Leadership development. Leaders are often required to inspire and motivate others, and effective presentation skills are integral to leadership. Whether leading a team meeting or delivering a keynote address, leaders who can engage and captivate their audience are more likely to garner support and influence. 5. Persuasion and influence. Presentations are a powerful tool for persuasion and influence. Whether pitching a product, advocating for a cause, or seeking funding for a project, the ability to present compelling arguments and sway opinions is essential for achieving desired outcomes. 6. Enhanced learning. In educational settings, presentations are not only a means of assessment, but also a valuable learning tool. Through the process of researching, organizing, and delivering presentations, students deepen their understanding of the subject matter and develop critical thinking skills. 7. Effective problem solving. Presentations often require individuals to analyze complex issues and present solutions in a clear and structured manner. The process of preparing and delivering presentations fosters analytical thinking and problem-solving skills, which are invaluable in both personal and professional contexts. 8. Networking opportunities. Whether attending conferences, seminars, or industry events, presentations provide opportunities to network and build relationships. A well-delivered presentation can leave a lasting impression on potential collaborators, clients, or employers, opening doors to new opportunities and partnerships. 9. Personal branding. In today's digital age, personal branding is more important than ever. Strong presentation skills contribute to a positive personal brand, positioning individuals as knowledgeable, competent, and credible experts in their field. 10. Impactful storytelling. The ability to tell a compelling story is a fundamental aspect of effective presentations. Whether sharing personal experiences, illustrating data-driven insights, or delivering a persuasive narrative, storytelling captivates audiences and makes presentations memorable. In conclusion, presentation skills are essential in various aspects of life, from professional success to personal development. By mastering the art of effective communication, individuals can enhance their confidence, leadership abilities, and persuasive influence, ultimately achieving their goals and making a lasting impact. Next, Part 2 of 28, How to Create a Great Plan. Well, that's the end of the reading. Be sure to check the resources in the description below. And when you're ready, go to the next video in the Presentation Skills series. Has this video helped you? Then like, share, or comment now. And build a powerful English vocabulary with my free course on Udemy. Go to goodenglish.online.